When it comes to AI art generators, Midjourney produces the best results. However, if you are just putting your toes into the field of AI, paying $10 per month for learning is not an option for everyone. For that reason, I tested dozens of free AI tools that produce images similar to Midjourney, and I have chosen the best option available. And I bet you are going to love it. Plus, I'm going to reveal a new method of earning money with the help of this AI. So let's dive in. Tensor Art. This new AI is capable of creating images like these, and in my opinion, it is the best free alternative to Midjourney. Just type tensor.art in your browser and you will land on this page. Click sign up to make a new account. After sign up, you will be taken to this page where we will be doing our work. Tensor Art has a huge variety of different art models, which gives it an edge over most comparable choices. Click on the Models tab and you will see all of the artwork that was created using these different models. These models were trained and created by different companies and users. Tensor Art is very good at creating art in styles like photorealistic, anime, game, realism, scenery, and many others. To create an image, click Workspace in the top right corner or choose a model that you like. For example, I'm going with this one and click the Run button. You will be taken to this window where we can generate our own artwork. At the bottom, you can see image credit balance. One image creation will cost you 1 credit, and it refreshes to 100 after every 24 hours. This is quite reasonable. On the top where it says Basic Model, you can select the model of your choice. In the Prompt tab, we can describe our image and whatever we want to see in our artwork. In the negative prompt, type whatever you don't want in your image. You can also upload your image as a reference by clicking Image to Image, and Tensor Art will create a new image similar to the one you uploaded. In this settings area, we can fine-tune our creations. The sampling steps allow for deeper image customization. If you are just starting out and not sure what to choose, I suggest leave it on default values. One thing I like about this art generator is that it provides a built-in image upscaler. Enabling high-res fix will perform image upscaling. Leave high-res step to 0, but you can play around with denoising strength if you want to add or remove noise in your images. Keep in mind that if you are creating high-res images, this will cost you an extra credit. Detailer works in a different way and I have never used it, so I will turn it off for now. So now let's move on to creating an image and write our prompt. If you're not sure how to begin and how to write the prompt, you can go to this link for inspiration. There is a small trick that will help you in writing prompts. Coming to that in a bit. So let's say I want something created for a t-shirt design. So I type this as a prompt and type this as a negative prompt. In the Count tab at the bottom, select the number of images you want to create and then hit Generate. In a few seconds, that's what it came out with. Pretty nice. You can download it by clicking here. You can also publish it to your profile and build your own community of followers. On the top here, you can send it to image and use it as a reference and create a similar one with different details. And you can remix this image as well. Remix is a very interesting feature which is useful for both beginners and experienced creators of AI images. This is the other trick I was talking about. Let's see how Remix works and use another image as an example. Move cursor over this image and click the Remix button. As you can see, everything was copied from this image. The AI model, the prompt, negative prompt, and every other setting. If we don't change anything and press Generate, we will get the same image as a result. This remix feature is very useful if you see and like an image and want to create something similar. Slightly making changes to the setting will change the result. Go to Post section and discover artwork shared by other creators. You can subscribe to awesome creators and use their work as a reference. Make remix from them and study their settings and learn yourself. Now, as promised, let me show you a secret method that you can use and earn money with Tensor Art. In addition to the fact that Tensor Art produces very good artwork, there are two major benefits that we can use to increase our earnings. The first is that Tensor Art is a free tool and we can create 100 images daily. The second is Remix. By using this feature, we can learn and create highest quality and accurate images. We are going to use these features to our advantage and earn money with it. This new method of earning money is related to Fiverr.com. If you are not familiar with Fiverr, it is a freelancer platform with people from around the world offering different kinds of freelance services. If you visit Fiverr and look for popular, you will see AI services. Click on it, and on the next page, you will see a list of services that can be done using AI and people are willing to pay money for. If you have any of these skills, you can easily earn with this. As our topic is AI art related, let's click this. Here you can see the services offered by freelancers. You can offer a service and start selling the images itself, but here we will do things differently. We will earn profits by selecting this custom image prompts tab. As you can see, there is not a lot of competition, and these are the people who have learned to write very good prompts. Tensor Art is the best option for this because you can generate as many images as no one is offering for free. Additionally, among the free AI products available on the market, Tensor Art produces the highest quality images. So if you make a promising gig here using the images from Tensor Art, no doubt you will start seeing results on your work very fast. So that's it for today's video. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. And until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. See you in the next video.